and welcome back. Green glasses because I have to see very narrow. But oh yes, doors. I finished the doors. This is the car. For the one who haven't seen, do you recognize, oops, this car? Lancia Stratos, fantastic. Static 1.8 model. Perfect. And today we are going to finish. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah. And after the doors, now it's time for the central part of the body. This is a masterpiece. This is the tube for the water, for the screen. And now we mount this. Every single piece matches perfectly the body. Here, 2 screws. Electric screwdriver is very useful. And also a tip. Herein I have a little bit of WD-40, and when you have to screw in the metal, sometimes it's quite difficult, but with this little bit of oil, it's perfect, no problems. And this is done. Wonderful, wonderful, really wonderful. Next! And sometimes I'm really surprised about my mind. How smart do I am? Here we have a problem. We have to mount this. What's the name of this? Hinge. Hinge is another thing, but this is the shutter of the door. We have to mount on the frame, and we have to put this C-ring into the slot of the, and if you do with some tool, it's quite difficult, but if you leave on the sprue and make a little pressure like this, done. It's wonderful. This is a super model. I assembled a lot of these, but this kind of models, I mean, but this is special. Sandro Murari, to me, is a legend. His name, I was 11, 13 when he used to run. I'm, no, 20, yes, I'm from 56, this is 76, and math is quite precise, and they are 20. I was 20, about 20 when he used to run, so I had my car, the license, and I try to do like him, but on the open roads. Please don't say this to other people. Fantastic. And now the great moment. Technically, this operation is called marriage, because we have to mount the body on the frame. In this case, the marriage is quite a little bit longer than for the humans, and cars are really lifelong marriage. Yeah, cars are better than humans. Generally, it's quite difficult. Let's see. This tube, attention. No. Done. Perfect. Very happy. Issue 89. This car is really fantastic. Look at the squareness. Is a angry bulldog. He's nasty. his eraser. Aggressive. Made for run. "20 issue to the end. And yesterday I told you tomorrow I will show you finished. 100. 10 to the finish. And this is what we have. Marvelous. No tire. Sorry, I don't know why. Doors open. Fantastic. This is a real great model and I love it. It's a pity that I can't hold for me. Well, maybe one day. This I would really like to have. It looks much longer. The wheelbase is the right dimension of the car. Square. Marvelous. Next, finish the car. And here it is, in all her beauty. The car is finished. This wonderful rally car from the 70s is astonishing. Opening, opening, opening. This door, how can I open? The steering works. Looking from above is fantastic. My friends, I hope you like this model. I hope you have a nice time with me speaking about this. To me, remembering this, I am a very lucky guy, because when I was younger, I drove one of these cars, orange with golden rims. Fantastic. It's very difficult car to drive. Powerful, yes, but the fact is that you drive here and the car finish here, and is wider on the back than on the front. So you have to pay attention where to put this wheel. And this glass here in this point makes you don't see very well, so you have to look through this one. And that car had a very hard accelerator, terrible brown, and friction very hard. Perhaps it was a matter of how do you say, regulating well the things, but it was fantastic, like a go-kart, really a go-kart. My friends, with this, comment, like and subscribe if you like. If you don't like, tell me what don't you like. This. And up to the next. Ciao.